How y'all doing? It's Runners from Runners Outward and More presents. I'm back working on this bird that I made. Um, this bird right here. It's kind of like an owl, but it's a bird that I made pink. Then you got the angel that I made from making the bird. Then a moon that I made also in the process when I was making the bird. So everything that you see came from the bird, then it ended up being something else. That's for the feet, the wings of the bird. Got with that piece. And this piece right here came from the bird. So, yeah. Never get me any creative. I got the moon. So, I just wanted to keep y'all update as I'm working on it. I also got my other paintings that I'm working on, artwork that I'm working on. But I'm gonna put it in here also when it's time. Alright, y'all have a good one. Later. Right, back again, this Rhonda from Rhonda's Outward and More Presents, LLC. If you can think it, I will paint it for no evil. That's the little slogan of mine. What I create, jewelry sets, staffs. It say use at your own risk as a king, wood animals, and more. You can reach me at Rhonda's Outward and More Presents, the letter L at gmail.com. Thank you for supporting my dreams. Alright. So, let's get on into it. I'm still working currently on these and my other artworks that saw in the past. This right here is a bird that I have. Didn't want to come out. And here is the angel that came from the bird, like I showed y'all on the previous video. Yeah, on the earlier part of this. So yeah, the moon. Yep. I might have a little falcon spoon, to go with this moon, Alright, till the next one. Till the next updates. Have a good one. Alright, how y'all doing? It's Rhonda from Rhonda's Outward and More Presents, LLC. Here's the angel. I've been working on it. Put some stuff together on it. I'm still working on it currently. Alright. This one right here is I Am One Love. I am one love. There's some hearts around it. Also this I'm currently working on. I'm currently working on this also. This is the updates. Alright, this is the woman covered. The woman covered. I got her up on Facebook, Runners Outward and More Presents, LLC. On Facebook, check me out. Appreciate that. Alright, this right here is a that I made. I created. It's the I guess something I came up with. Well, I ain't come up with it. It's in the word hope, faith, and love. The 2 Corinthians 13, verse 13. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 13. Hope, faith, and love. Alright, on to the next one, y'all. Thank you for watching thus far. Alright, this is Butterfly and the Forest. I'm still currently working on this. All these that you see so far, I'm currently working on it, unless I tell you otherwise. Yeah. I'm still in progress of doing this. Butterflies and Forest. It's two of them, a red one and a yellow. This one I made way back. It say, when I am sad, you make me happy. And it's a happy face. Shoot, I can about to do some little work on this also. You make me happy. That's the name of it. You make me happy. Alright, on to the next. Alright. I don't know if, well, some of y'all who, from the beginning of my channel, this right here is Midnight. I was working on Midnight. I hadn't stopped. But this one I left off at. I ain't done with Midnight either. Right. This one I came up with, the Lion of Judah. And it's a picture of a lion. I painted. Still got to do some work. Still got to do some work on it. This right here gets some trees I painted. I guess in an orchard or something. A tree orchard. Alright, this right here is the dog photo. If y'all been on my channel before and seen this, I done added some more stuff. I added the sun. I put the bricks on it. Yep. I put the light in the tent, and I put some smoke coming from out the tent. Yeah, I still got some stuff to work on the dog picture. Alright, it's one of my cats, Black Cat, that I created. Yep. Alright. How y'all doing? This Rhonda for Rhonda's Outward Remote Presents LLC. So early in the video you see the pink bird, the angel, the moon, and now I also my paintings, the covered lady, what else? The covered lady, and those other ones that I showed. So let me know what you think about them, and I will be putting out more artwork.